Hi everyone! Today we're talking about something that can genuinely change the way you eat on busy days. Prepared meal delivery. In a fast-paced world, cooking healthy meals can feel like a constant uphill battle. Maybe your schedule is packed, maybe you're recovering from an injury, or maybe you simply want to eat smarter without the daily stress of planning and meal prep. That's where prepared meal delivery services come in. They're designed to make healthy eating feel more realistic, without sacrificing quality. And these services aren't only for people who don't like to cook. Think of them as a bridge to a better routine. The best ones offer a wide range of choices, like vegan, gluten-free, keto, and calorie-conscious options, so you can enjoy nutritious meals that match your lifestyle. In a way, it's not just about food. It's about making your kitchen experience fit your life, instead of forcing your life to fit the kitchen. So how do you know which services are actually worth it? We looked at more than popularity. Based on extensive user feedback and insights from registered dietitians like Jennifer Palian, the strongest services tend to focus on three core factors. First, nutritional integrity. Many ready-made meals are high in protein, but the best options also pay attention to things like fiber, legumes, and whole grains. Second, sodium control. Some prepared meals can turn into a sodium bomb, so we looked for services that offer reduced sodium or heart-healthy choices. And third, convenience versus quality. The standout services make meals easy to heat and serve, often in about 2 to 3 minutes, while still keeping the texture and freshness of the ingredients. Now here's a quick snapshot of some top community favorite services. Many of these are considered gold standard options in North America, but even if you live elsewhere, they're helpful as a blueprint for what to look for. Tempo by Home Chef stands out as a best overall pick for speed. People love it for simple, protein-rich, balanced meals that take just 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave, perfect for nights when dinner can't wait. Cook Unity is a favorite for gourmet variety. With over 300 chef-crafted menu items, it's popular with food lovers who want restaurant-quality meals and a wide range of cuisines, without the cooking hassle. HelloFresh, in its pre-made option, is often seen as great for families. It's known for tasty, bowl-style meals with approachable flavors that work for both younger Pilates and busy adults. Factor is a strong choice for wellness-minded eaters. It focuses on fresh, never-frozen ingredients and offers dietitian-designed meals that support macro tracking, keto lifestyles, and plant-based preferences. And for busy parents, Little Spoon is often described as a lifesaver, especially for toddlers and pickier eaters. It features organic produce and meals that are rigorously tested for toxins and heavy metals. What's interesting is that this prepared meal movement is expanding far beyond North America. From organic meal prep options in Europe to protein-packed boxes across Asia, healthier convenience is becoming more accessible all over the world. But choosing the right meal delivery service is personal. Wherever you live, here are 5 simple tips to help you find the best match. First, identify your dietary needs. Whether you need low-carb, dairy-free, or high-protein meals, look for services that label these options clearly and offer meals designed for your goals. Second, think about convenience and sustainability. Consider delivery schedules, weekly or bi-weekly, and prep times that fit your routine. And if it matters to you, look for packaging that's eco-friendly or recyclable. Third, check customer feedback. Real reviews are one of the best ways to understand taste, portion size, and quality consistency before committing. Fourth, evaluate flexibility. Life happens. A good service should let you skip weeks or customize orders easily when your schedule changes. And fifth, price versus value. Some services are budget-friendly, while others focus on gourmet meals or specialized nutrition. Choose what fits your budget and what feels worth it for your long-term health. In the end, prepared meal delivery isn't just about convenience. It's an invitation to reclaim your time while supporting better nutrition. When you choose the right service, you're investing in your wellness and freeing up energy for what matters most. Hopefully, this gives you a clear framework to find a meal delivery option that fits your lifestyle, tastes great, and makes everyday eating feel easier, delivered right to your doorstep.